Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Briteye D3S Xenon bulb with 35 watt power and 8000 Kelvin. Wow, color temperature. It's a vehicle headlight bulb pack of 2. And you can also order it with 4300K and of course with 6000K. Also, if your vehicle does not support the D3S socket, you can use the D1S too, or the D2 socket is available too from this brand here. It's an all-metal Xenon D3S bulbs. They are well made and strong because the metal stands. Wire and high-quality materials can not only reduce the risk of rain leaks and short circuits, but they also provide a better heat dissipation. It makes it more stable and it has the service life of more than 3000 hours. And this is not bad. 8000K cool blue in this case. This Xenon burner with D3S and 8000K, which can achieve a color and more personal effect and make our car more distinctive. And as you can see, it's not super easy to replace this, because the most vehicles you can see, you have to remove the tires, you have to jack up your car, and then after you you bring out the wheel case out of it, you can reach the burn area from the backside, and then you can replace the bulb easily. And in this case, it's cost effective. With 35 high quality D3S lamp, this improved for road traffic, the better performance with low energy consumption. We can replace the upgraded Xenon bulbs here with these awesome new devices with the D3S socket to reduce the frequency of replacement and maintenance cost. Excellent option for replacing the original bulbs if they're damaged, of course, or if you like a blue awesome LED beam. That's not an limited diode, it's a xenon beam, of course. Process orientation is 2 in this D3S 35 watt xenon burners. Each bulb is laser aligned at the base during the manufacturing process to ensure a tight beam pattern. It's using a xenon gas mixture that is measured at the correct color temperature and will not fade over time. And xenon is a nice must-have thing on your car. In 1989, Philips developed the D1 lamp, which was later also offered by Osram. From 1991 onwards, the gas discharge lamps were available as xenon lights for the 7 Series BMW. Initially only as low beam, the D2 lamp has been used in the Audi A8 and the BMW E38 since 1994, and is still produced today in a slightly modified form. Since 1999, first in the Mercedes-Benz CL, there have also been xenon light high beams on so-called big xenon headlights. The same lamp is used for the low beam and high beam, whereby a diagram is folded out of the beam path for switching, thus enabling high beam. There are also xenon headlights with integrated corner lights, which are intended to achieve improved illumination when cornering thanks to horizontal move-able lenses. And here, the socket of D3S is built in the most VAG cars. That means Audi, VW cars as well. If you have your car contains the D3S socket, you can upgrade your beams, your bulbs, your beams with these upgraded HID bulbs. These are replacement HID bulbs, presses luminous points, more brightness plus 50%, and longer light distance. By Briteye. Yeah, focusing automotive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.